Baltimore police sergeant is under investigation after a video circulating on social media showed him coughing near residents. It happened at the Perkins homes in East Baltimore. A spokesperson with the Baltimore Police Department confirmed the incident, saying the department is aware of this and has viewed the video and believed it warranted being forwarded to the Public Integrity Bureau for an internal investigation. Commissioner Harrison says after watching the full video in its entirety, it is not only disturbing, but incomprehensible, especially considering the high level of strong and clear guidance that we have provided from the beginning regarding COVID-19.